So, in this session, we are going to wrap up our remove all and the search to do's functionality. So, we'll start with the remove all. It's like very simple. So, what we will do is we'll create a function const remove all to do's. And what we will do is we will just set our to-dos to an empty array, and we will call it in click. Let's see if it works. I will refresh and we will get the hard-coded to-dos. I will click on remove all and to-dos are empty. So that part is done. And now next we will work on our search to-dos functionality. So to do that, we will create another state variable called const search text. Set search text use state, and we will start with the empty string. Okay, and then we will hook up this input for this input search for search, right, with, and we will do value is equal to search text, and on change is equal to set search text e dot target dot value. Okay, let's see if this is getting set in our search text state. So let's print out search text is. Okay, we type and you can see it is appending on my search text state variable. Now as soon as I type, what I need to do is I need to search for that text in my list of to-dos and show only those to-dos which are matching that criteria, right? So that particular string needs to be, like, suppose if I enter SHO, so only shopping should be shown. With SHO here, only this contains SHO, and it doesn't matter what if they are in lowercase or uppercase, right? So for that, I will create, just before return, I am going to create const filtered to-dos, and in this I am just going to use a filter function to-dos dot filter, and then I will to do so I will return only those to-dos. So to do dot text, and I will convert it into lowercase if they include the search text. Includes the search text, and that also I will do it into lowercase, and those are the filtered to-dos are the one that I am going to iterate here. So I am going to replace the to-dos with filtered to-dos. Okay, there is some issue going on here. Text dot to lowercase or includes dot. Oh, something got imported. Okay, I think that should be it. Now let's search for shopping. Okay, I'm getting only shopping. Let's remember lowercase shopping. Yes, and we're getting only lowercase shopping. Let's try to add watch. Let me add a to-do called watch a cartoon. And now just search for watch. So I'm just getting all these two only. So yeah, with that we have wrapped up our functionality wise. I think we are good. We have wrapped up all the functionalities of adding a to-do, searching for a to-do, then editing a to-do, and then removing an individual to-do, and finally removing all the to-dos. And in next session we're just going to add some styling so to make this app look presentable, right? Thank you.